What's he doing to your toes? He's trying to take your toes. Was he saying your feet are hot? Your feet hot? Is that what he's telling? Were Evan's feet hot? And I'm back. And I'm back. Wait, now you're just going to take his whole foot? Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. He's not pulling at your eyeballs. Be gentle. There you go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. If I can't destroy that kid, I'm getting the hell out of here. Are you going to crawl? Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? Oh, so close. I thought you were going to crawl.
Evan, what do you think about that? It's like, why is this dog bigger than me? That's stupid. Evan, show him how it's done. Oh.
He's like, I got